Hi, I had recorded this video with my walking face early this morning because I went for a walk with my hubby, but I thought that I'd put some makeup on and look a little bit more glamorous. Let's see what I did here. Hold on. I think I had some lippy tick on my finger. But I'll do it. Anyway, so this is my face with some makeup on, and now I'll start the video. Good morning, it's nice to see you. Good morning everyone. I'm going to take a little walk with my hubby. We'll probably go half the way and then get home to take care of a little job or whatever. And so I just thought I'd bring you along, check in, you know. For you new people, this is Connie Murphy, over 70, still glamorous, but with my walking face on today. Little lip gloss, and of course my mascara that I already had on. So maybe later on I'll throw in a makeup face. Wow, I've never seen a green grasshopper before. Hello. Hey, looking right at me. Hi, guy. Don't get stepped on. So the two plants I have in the two different pots in my back patio are only about 24 inches high right now, but I didn't know they were going to get this big, so I will be transplanting them. These here are about 5 by 4. Yep, 5 by 4. But I like that little purple in flower. And these are the ones I have under my living room window that I want to take out. They're, of course, I never let them flower. I keep them, you know, like a topiary round. And of course, I have these thornless white roses, one on either side of the front yard, that bloom 4 times a year. I just chop them down, they come right back. So quite a few people out the lake today passing me by, some with their dogs and some without. These two fellas have a sailboat there.
How are you today?
That looks like a nice little hobby.
It's a wonderful fun hobby. We're going to be sailing about 30 minutes or so.
Oh.
Should be 5 of us today. Come back and get a boat for me.
5 of you? You say 5 of you?
There'll be 5 of us today.
Oh, okay, cool. Who knows? Maybe I'll come back and watch them. I was walking with my hubby, but he decided to cut his walk short. And I just threw my glasses on and a hat and said, okay, let's go. So I did make it back to the park, and I did some more footage of the mini sailboats. And as Katharine Hepburn would say, all the daylilies are in bloom. And Papa's babysitting the kids. Well, since the last time I was here, they built a little, well, I guess you could call it a mailbox, but what's in it are some little magazines or whatever that people are sharing, and you're welcome to take them for free. And they call it the Little Free Library. Isn't that nice? Let's see what they have in here. Oh. I can tell they got some kitty books over here. Yeah. But I think I'll take this CD, since I didn't see the new version of Amityville Horror, and call it a day. Oh. It says the female is Melissa George and Ryan Reynolds. We all know Ryan Reynolds. He's married to Blake Lively. I'll bring it back on my next walk. So I do have a little mascara on. and a little lip gloss. Well, that's it. No foundation, just a walking face today. So as I'm walking around, I'm thinking when I take those 3 big bushes, with those little yellow flowers, out in front of my living room window in the front yard, I'll plant some more of these white thornless roses and keep them at a, at a hedge length. Yeah, because they're pretty much effortless. All I do is chop them off the top and that's it, and they come right back. You can see here the pine cones are starting to fall, and a couple of times I've taken a bunch of them and painted them, gold and sometimes silver, and did something with them. Don't know if I'll do it this year, but they're available if I change my mind. And I heard that all these needles were good ground cover for the planter beds. Who knows? Maybe I'll sweep some up and take them home one of these days. Use it as mulch. I've got a girlfriend who says, I don't see a mess, I see mulch. Now on this corner right here, this apple tree used to drop all kinds of apples until these new people bought the house, and no more apples on the ground. Used to be all along here. So I'm almost home, and I think I might have told you before that I was the first one to start shaping topiaries, and now quite a few of my neighbors have them. I think it makes everything look so nice and manicured. Of course, my little abode. And I decided to put these pieces of iron up against my garage because I don't plant anything there. Potato plants growing like a weed on both sides. This is the side that faces my front of my house, faces my windows, So I wear the same thing you girls do. And now I'm going to go back to the park and catch those 5 guys with their sailboats and see what kind of footage I can get. So I'm on my way back to the park to take some footage of the little sailboats. So this video will be a little chopped up, but what else is new? So I came back to see your other sailboats.
Hi. We're not tearing the water up right now, but doesn't mean we're not trying.
Looks like it's still fun being out here, even though water's not moving around too much. Yeah.
This is good. It's gotta help having it out there.
How cute. Boys will be boys, won't they? Girls just want to dance and guys just want to have toys. Motorcycle, boats, whatever. Skiing equipment, golfing equipment. So I'll have to ask them if they're neighbors or just friends, or if there's a special kind of a club. you know, for this type of a hobby. Let's see what they say. So is this like a miniature sailboat club or neighbors? What?
This is a miniature sailboat club. You said it well.
Yeah. I mean, are you like neighbors or something?
No, we just met here. We saw other people sailing and we got involved.
Oh, okay. Well, your official mini boat club.
We've been, how long have we been here?
They just kind of met here one at a time.
Yeah, we just started about 10 years.
10 years. Wow. I've been in my house over there 17. I think I've only seen one guy one time with a sailboat.
We come on Tuesdays from 2 to 5.
Tuesdays from 2 to 5.
Every Tuesday.
Every Tuesday. Good deal.
Come sail with us.
Good deal. Where do you buy your boats?
Put one in your hands if you like it. Look for a boat after that.
Oh, you let me try yours?
Absolutely.
Did you all buy your boat at the same place? You bought them all over the place, huh? No particular place. Oh, you can get them used. That's great.
Is the company that makes them.
Company that makes them doesn't make them anymore?
No, they're out of business.
Oh.
It would appear they're out of business.
So that's why you buy. Let me see your little
And
doodad
well,
here.
this is what controls it. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you steer on this side. The boat goes.
Steer on this side,
Yeah. See how the boat's turning to
okay.
the red boat, and then this lets the sail in or pulls it in. Now you don't see much because there's not much wind, but
Yeah.
you let the sail out one direction,
Uh-huh.
and you pull it back to tighten them up,
Oh,
just like on a real sailboat.
Oh.
Yeah.
Cool.
Come on, Sam. We're drag racing to the finish. Yes.
Yeah, without the wind, it's hard to tell any of that's happening. Even turning is kind of slow because if the boat doesn't move, it's not going to turn.
Yeah. Well, for walking, it's a great day. For boat sailing, not quite as good, huh?
Yeah, this is.
But I can see where it's still fun. I mean,
Well, it's a lot of fun, nonetheless. But a little more wind would be helpful.
a little more wind, huh?
I mean, we're into this.
There's a little trash can for discarded tackle stuff, you know, nets with hooks and things. Let me show you. And the fella said they just installed those last year. So isn't that nice of the city to accommodate these fellas? Awesome. He's at home. He was walking
He
with
lets
me.
you come out all by yourself.
Oh, yeah.
All right.
Oh, no, I go down through my fish and everything, but when it comes to the web, I'm saying, I don't know.
identify where you're
Because
at.
I wanted to like put an email on there because some of the gals have asked me for that. But he said, no, I don't think so, not yet. Well, we got to investigate more. Because he showed me how to make the videos to get online. But then I'm doing everything little by little, learning a little bit more and more as I go, you know. So,
We're going to take advantage
but he just did get me. He did get me a new phone. He did get me a new phone a couple weeks ago. And he says, "Don't hand your phone to anybody. That's a $900 phone number. They might take it from you and run off."
Yeah, it'll be hard for them to use, though. You know that.
Well, yeah, he put the face recognition or the thumbprint or whatever it is.
Well, then, if they do run off with it, you can press Find My Phone and send the police after them.
Yeah, I think he has that too. Yeah, he's just overprotective. But he's always been like that. Better safe than sorry, right, gals?
Goodbye. Thank you for coming
Thank
out.
you. Okay, so once again, have a marvelous day, everybody. Thank you, all you new people, for subscribing. Thank you for all you people that just stop by and say hi or be a looky-loo. I appreciate you all. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Connie Murphy, over 70, and still glamorous. Bye, everybody.